My name is Sean from Slam, and today you're joining me at Circuit Zolder here in Belgium for Japfest Belgium. The last 25 years it has happened in the Netherlands, but here it's come to Belgium, and what a show it is. Hey, this show is all about the JDM market here in Belgium and Netherlands and the surrounding places in Europe. We're going to have a beautiful look at the amazing cars here, from Toyota to Nissan to Mazda to everything. And as you can see, it's a perfect, beautiful scenery on Zolder racetrack. So here at Circuit Zolder at Japfest, we're not here just to look at cool and all different JDM cars, but we are here to find my top 5 favorite cars. And you're gonna agree or disagree with me, you're gonna have to let me know in the comments. But here are my top 5 in no particular order. Let's go. And here in no particular order on our top 5, we have this. A Toyota Celica GT. This is a 5th generation Celica with a 2.2 litre motor. And what makes this one very, very special, if you come here, you can see it's got a kind of a lack of a roof, as it is a convertible. There's not many of these. I haven't seen many of these. They're not the fastest sports car in the world, don't get me wrong. 0 to 100 is like 9 seconds. I think it's like 130 horsepower around there. But I think it looks pretty cool and true to the 90s style. Pop-up headlights. Who doesn't like pop-up headlights? If you don't like our pop-up headlights, we're gonna have a conversation. Here we have got something very old school and classic, a Datsun 240Z. How stunning is this? And to me, this is the start of the JDM sports car. When I think JDM sports car, like old school, this is exactly what I think of, a 240Z. This obviously has been redone and done beautifully. These came between 1969 to 1973, so only a short-term run. Came with an inline 6 with 151 horsepower, 0 to 100 roughly about 8 seconds. But imagine cruising in this style. A lot of these back in the day weren't looked after, so you don't see many of them anymore. But this is obviously redone, but in original form. It is so beautiful, to the rubbers, to the interior, to everything. It's just a stunning, beautiful car, and this definitely deserves a top in the top 5 in our top 5 category. What do you think? Here behind me we have a Japanese icon and supercar, the Honda NSX, in this beautiful black, but quite differently, like a brown/tan interior. Quite different, not my style. But these ran in production between 1990 and 2005. That's a 15-year production run. So it is amazing to see these cars. They did develop over time. This is an early model, which had the 3-litre V6, and did 0 to 100 in 5.2 seconds and a top speed of 270 k's an hour in a target top. That must be quite fun. What do you think? Do you think this deserves a JDM top 5 spot? I think so. And do you count this as a sports car or a supercar? Tell me in the comments below. Well, part of the top 5, we got the Subaru Impreza station wagon. Hawkeye, it's Hawkeye edition, but yes, it's a Subaru. But what really makes this fun is you see that, how should I say, the personality in this car. Yes, it's got a spray paint and all that to the colors they want, but it's got a little anime character with a replica of the car in the bonnet to display. The rims are stock, but they've got spray paint on them to match the car. It's got some conyards, a little bit of bodywork paint or stuff, and then it's got some stuff in the interior and all that. But this is what I love about these car shows, especially the JDM car shows. You can bring up a little bit of anime life or anything of the personal preferences and attitude to the car. And that's what I want to show. And the last car on our list today, again, no particular order, we've got Rico's Mark IV Toyota Supra. This is a monster Supra. On a full boost, this is over 900 horsepower. He mainly has a medium boost at 724 horsepower. But what I like about it, you don't see many yellow Supras. It's a very similar yellow as you have the sunny, I think it's a sunny Miata color. But looks quite cool with the rims. Or the black, a little bit of black breaking it. But other than that, you'll see the fender's modified. It has quite minimal modifications. In total, it does look like a standard Supra with the wing and all that. But it's got spark raised seats, it's got a harness bar and all that. But don't get me wrong, this is a monster and it sounds so good with two-step. And who doesn't like a good JDM Supra? Do you agree with me? So that brings an end to Japfest here at Zolder in Belgium. And hopefully you enjoyed my top 5. And if you agree or disagree with me, let me know in the comments below. But till the next one, please follow, subscribe, and all that stuff. We'll see you at the next one. Cheerios.
Hey, hi. Hi.